Alright guys, so we're gonna try this again. This time, now that we got most of all the items, I'm gonna try and figure out what to do. So if I pause sometimes it's because I'm looking in the book. So you obviously go up here. Alright, hold on. So go over here and take a shortcut here. Oh, I gotta spray another repel. Alright, since we're doing this for real this time, I gotta really know what I'm doing. So alright, this is where it really gets complicated. So yeah, my book is gonna help me here. Alright, now that we're here, we go and get this item. I guess I didn't get all the items. But, it was pretty much just a explorer video, so you guys can skip that. But just remember that you should go to Pewter City to get the rainbow wings so that you know what to do. So we don't go up those stairs for sure. But you do go up here and you go over, down, over, or down, over, down, over. And then what we have to do is, hold on a second. Yeah, we go over here. Sorry, still looking at my book. Oh, we do go up these ladders. Okay, so far so good. I'm pretty sure that we go this. Yeah, this is really the only way we can go. So, oh, I missed it. Gotta go down over here. And then we guess we keep going down, over, down. And then make sure you go up these stairs. Now that I do know what to do. I apologize for the last video because I was being an idiot and stubborn. So, okay, now that we're in this floor, picked up this item. It was a max potion. Alright, so the next thing that we do is we take this bridge over, then we take the first bridge going this way, we go this way, and then we go up this ladder. So and this part is where it gets a little confusing, I think. Oh no. Yeah, don't take that portal, just make sure you don't do that. Go this way, and basically just keep going until you get to this item, max revive. So that's gonna help you for sure. I've got to spray another repel. Sorry, I can't edit. I don't have the right kind of editing tools. Alright. So, again, looking in my book. So just give me a second, please. You do go down. And then you take this portal. And then you go down this bridge, you go in this portal, and then you go over here, collect this item. So that was kind of hard to get to. I don't see what it was though, but we do go this way. And then I think we take this portal. Yeah, we do. You take this portal, And you take this staircase here. And you gotta go up this ladder. Alright, I recommend definitely saving here because here's Oho. I don't think we'll have enough time to catch it, so you guys are gonna have to wait till the next video. I don't know. It doesn't look easy at all. So I'm gonna save again because now that I'm closer, I don't know. I'm gonna try and. Alright, so now here's Oho. But I'm gonna dedicate a whole new video for it because odds are I'm not gonna catch it too easy. So until next time, bye.